Hello guys, welcome back to the channel with a new video, new opening and new hopes. So guys, today I am going to share around 11 companies opening with you. Before starting the video, I am going to announce one thing with you. I am going to bring one of our subscriber got recently placed in one of MNC company. I will going to bring him on our channel on upcoming Thursday, and the Google Meet link you can find in the description box. So join as much as possible. Those are the searching job in software industry. He will be on live sessions with us on Thursday at 7 p.m. So Google Meet link you can find in the description box. Okay, so share this link and share this video as much as possible. Those who have a doubt regarding a software testing or a QA industry. So let's come on our main point. Let's start with the first company name. The first company name is QNox is hiring for automation test engineer for Mumbai and Bangalore location. They are expecting 2+ years of experience in automation testing, and you need to mention something in our email body. So you need to mention if you have experience in testing in VFS domain, it's yes or no, your current CTC, expected CTC, and your notice period you need to mention. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your CV on rajasri.q@qnox.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Bitsoft Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for QA manual. So the QA manual is the position name. Guys, please note, it's very important while you sending the resume to the recruiter, it should be mentioned in your subject line. So number of position for this it's 5. Okay, QA manual number of position is 5, and they are expecting minimum 2 years of experience in quality assurance. Specifically in manual, there must be clear a core concept of testing, must have experience in both mobile as well as web testing. So must have the knowledge about Google AdSense and Google product stacks, API testing, and location will be Mohali. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on this email ID which is showing on the screen. So guys, please check out letter by letter spelling before sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Wipro. They are hiring for the role of analyst. So experience they are expecting 0 to 4 years, means freshers also can apply over here. The location, job location will be Gurgaon, and it's a work from home available. It means hybrid. If you want to work from home, so they will give you a work from home opportunity as well. So salary range for this position is 7 lakh to 16 lakh per annum. So if you are interested, you need to apply the over a company website. The link is given in the description below. Please check out the link and apply accordingly. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is JP Morgan Chase. They are hiring for a freshers at the position of quality associate. So the salary range for this position is 13 lakh to 18 lakh per annum. Experience they are expecting 0 to 2 years, means freshers also can apply over here. Requirements is basic requirements are college graduation or equivalent experience. Management experience, they are also expecting experience in multiple lines of business plus excellent leadership skills and communication skills and written skills as well, they are expecting. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to apply over the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description and apply accordingly. Okay guys, before moving the next opening guys, I would like to request, please follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well, because since last week I have posted 30+ positions on Instagram and Telegram. So you can find my Instagram and Telegram link in the description. So please check out the link description and follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Abatis Technologies. They are hiring for a .NET trainee engineer. Experience they are expecting 0 to 6 months. Qualification they are expecting all technical graduation they are expecting. .NET and SQL certification is must. If you have the certification, it will be added advantage for you. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on the email ID which is showing on the screen. Please check out the letter by letter spelling before sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. It might be a consultant or it might be a company employee. It's your turn if you want to share the profile or not. The company name is Central. They are expecting a QA manual testing for freshers and experience as well, for 0 to 3 years of experience. And the job location will be Bangalore. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on apply@trigid.in. Correct email ID and correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Collabus Technologies. They are hiring for automation engineer for freshers and experienced candidate as well. The job location will be Ahmedabad, and it will be available hybrid work mode as well. Means 2-3 days you can work from home and rest of days you need to go in the office. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hr@collabus.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is NCP India Private Limited. They are hiring for a freshers in the Java development. The position is for a development engineer. So job location will be Bangalore, and qualification they are expecting B Computer and Information Technologies. Pass out years they are expecting 2022 and 2023 only. Knowledge in core Java, Java Sprint, MySQL or database testing you should know. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on pranita.u@ncs-india.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. Tech System, they are hiring for automation test engineer. It might be before you send application for the Tech System, but still they have opening for automation test engineer. And experience they are expecting 1 to 3 year. Job location will be Hyderabad and hybrid mode it will be available. Okay, basic skills are Java with Selenium or C# and agile methodology you should know. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on namisha@techsystem.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Let's move on the next company guys. It might be a consultant or it might be a company employee. If it's your turn, if you want to share the profile or not. They are hiring manual testers, but they are expecting only manual testers with only insurance and investment banking domain. Job location will be Mumbai and Thane. Experience they are expecting 1 to 3 years. Maximum budget for this position is 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh per annum, and it's fixed, not more than that. Job position will be permanent. Skill sets: manual testing, automation testing, and Selenium testing with Java. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on @gmail.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen guys. Let's move on the next company guys. The next company name is Omop Technologies. They are hiring for lots of opening in Ahmedabad location. For the position is for interns for quality analyst as a manual tester. So it will be the internship position. So if you are interested for internship position, you need to share your profile on hr@movep.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, I already inform around 10 plus companies openings today, and important things, I'm going to bring one industry expert on our channel on upcoming Thursday at 7 p.m. Please join as much as possible with the Google Meet. The Google Meet link you can find in the description. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, you can reach me on Instagram. My Instagram ID you can see over here, and Instagram my account you can also find in description box. So please check out the description box and let me know if any queries arises. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.